Good afternoon, everyone. Nice to talk to you again. I'm Jenny. Welcome to our Mainlander's voice. As you can see, our lovely Tailor is doing his work so carefully, right? I'm right in her house, who is my neighbor. She is doing this job for around 40 years, since I knew her from my childhood. I think it's very great to do one job in a lifetime. Yeah, this is most our Chinese traditional values. One lifetime, one job. One lifetime, one lover, maybe. As you can see, there are more and more factories, so there are few people who will, make the clothes by tailors right now, especially in this way. You can see that she's trying to repair the old clothes and to make some aprons, which is maybe more simple. Yeah. I don't know if there's any machines like this in your country. She still uses the old-fashioned one. She just told me that there are modern sewing machines, but she chose not so modern one. Yeah. I knew her from her maid, and she also witnessed our little village from a dilapidated one to the modernized one, and from her maid to middle-aged, and from her new mama to be a mama to a grand nanny right now. Okay, let's move closer. She's doing it very greatly, and usually our villagers in the neighborhood will look for her to do this kind of job. When I was a kid, I knew that there were many people who would make clothes from her place, but for the modernized process, the purchase of clothes is easier, so her business is becoming not so good anymore. But he's trying his best to go on with her business. She hasn't left our village for her lifetime, and she enjoys this kind of life. I want to show her wrinkles in her face. She's very skilled. 这个别人这前不这就扫出别掉了，是不？哎，一个嘛。哎呀，平常按切了。哎呀。Just now I asked her how much will it cost me if I invite her to make a clothes like this one. She told me it will cost me 30 to 40 RMB for the for the sewing cost. So this is what I want to share with you today. And before my finishing, I'd like to show her family, her house. You know, it's 3 stories high, and when she was young, this house is very poor, I should say, but they are improving, right? Yeah. Okay, bye bye. See you next time. Nice to talk to you again. Bye bye.